Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why that new diet everyone's raving about just doesn't work for you? Welcome to the world of personalized nutrition in 2024. Personalized nutrition is all about you. It's no longer about following a generic meal plan. It's about creating a diet that fits your unique body, lifestyle, and even genetics. Let's break this down. Imagine a nutrition plan that's specifically designed for your DNA, medical history, and daily habits. This isn't just some futuristic dream, it's happening right now. Advanced programs use genetic testing and lifestyle analysis to craft the perfect diet for you. Take into account factors like your cultural preferences and any food restrictions you might have. It's a holistic approach, aiming to make sure your nutritional plan is effective and sustainable. Imagine not just eating to lose weight, but eating to boost your overall health, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Research published in top journals like Nature shows that personalized diets can significantly improve cardiometabolic health. And it's not just about avoiding diseases. Personalized nutrition empowers you to make informed food choices that enhance your well-being. It's like having a personal health coach in your pocket. With expert-backed programs reviewed by registered dietitians and healthcare professionals, you get the credibility and safety you need. As more people become discerning about their health choices, the demand for trustworthy, personalized solutions is skyrocketing. So, if you're tired of one-size-fits-all diets that just don't work, it's time to embrace personalized nutrition. Your body, your needs, your health. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's medicine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and alert bells for more health insights. Thank you for following us at Peak Mind Provisions 369. Until next time.